The other day I was driving to work and I had to wear gloves in order to hold the steering wheel. My car just wouldn't heat up. Has it ever happened to you where the outside temperature was actually warmer than the inside of your vehicle? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. Now there could be numerous reasons for why you have no heat in your vehicle, such as a bad thermostat, low coolant, or a blower motor not working. Now a thermostat, which looks like this, regulates the temperature of your engine by the melting of candle wax, which is inside. Once reaching the running temperature, it then melts the wax, causing the valve to open, which allows coolant to run through the engine. Now a thermostat stuck open will cause the no heat. But if that thermostat is stuck closed, then coolant never reaches the radiator, which then leads to that engine overheating. So see your local car care specialist to diagnose your heating problem. And if you like our video and you want to stay warm in your vehicle, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to share our video with others who are puzzled as to why they don't have heat in the car, then hit the share button. And if you want to make a suggestion on other videos for us to do, enter it in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and stay warm the rest of this winter.